announcement for tomorrow's Novena of Grace. So tomorrow till the 12th we begin the Novena of Grace. It's a 9-day novena. The Mass schedule is like this. We will be having 5 Masses a day. Morning, 6, 7, 8 and 4:30. These are all in Konkani. The 6 o'clock Mass in the evening is in English. On Sunday, we will be having the 9:15 Mass. So there'll be 6, 7, 8 and 9:15. The 9:15 Mass will be in English. 4:30 will be in Konkani. 6 o'clock again in the evening will be in English. On the final day, that's on the 12th, we'll have an additional Mass, which is the Solemn Mass. So the Mass timing is 6, 7, 8, 9:15 will be the Solemn High Mass, which will be in Konkani, followed by the Way of the Cross, the penitential Way of the Cross, with a big cross starting from here, going right up to the Rosary Church. There, people will go, will receive a blessing, and return having kanji on the way. The others could also attend a small Mass if they have not been able to come on time, or they're coming at a different time. Some of them, we have a Mass at the Rosary Church at 12 around that time. So that day, since in the morning we are taking the Konkani Way of the Cross, in the evening from 3 to whatever time, we will have the English Chaplet of Mercy and the Way of the Cross. Now these are other devotions that we will be having. 5 o'clock in the morning, as usual, I'll be having my prayer, and it will end before the 6 o'clock Mass. After the 8 o'clock Mass, we'll be having the Way of the Cross in English. 3 o'clock, we'll be having the Mercy devotion and the Way of the Cross, all in Konkani. So this is more or less the timetable. On the Sunday, since there'll be the 9:15 Mass, we may have to forego the Way of the Cross, because by that time there'll be a lot of people coming in. Confessions. We will be having confessions before and after Mass. What about the 6th? Yes, on the 6th will be the Mass at the Chapel of St. Francis Xavier. We started at 9 o'clock. On Wednesday, that is the 5th, is the Ash Wednesday. We will be blessing the ashes of the first Mass, and we'll be distributing or applying the ashes at every Mass throughout the day.